Sometimes I just fix shit. Oh, pardon me. Sometimes I just fix stuff just because I don't want to fix the important things that I'm supposed to be fixing. So let's just give this a try. Should be fun. I had glued it in the past, but we just had a freezing spell, and or I think I epoxied it. Anyways, that didn't hold. Was holding for a long time. I'm not sure how this is gonna play out. If this is gonna hold water, but means it's a Hummingbird feeder. It's gotta hold water. This soldering iron is like my old junker soldering iron. So it doesn't get very hot, but it's probably better as a plastic welding iron than it is a soldering iron. Suppose I could have done a better, like a contrasting color maybe. I've soldered, plastic welded some stuff that didn't really matter. So this, of course, this doesn't really matter either. These things are like $10 at the store or online. It only actually holds water at the very bottom. So, hey, how's your new year going? You got any exciting plans? Got any vacations coming up? I know I don't have a vacation coming up, but I have a high school graduation I need to go to in a place that's warm. That should be fun. All right, solder away, weld away, melt away. This is where it really matters down here. It looks, to me, I don't have my glasses on, but it looks like it's going to hold. But you know how water is. Considering that plumbing is my least favorite skill. But every time I hire the plumber, because I have a good plumber who I trust, and I hang out with him while he's doing my job, and I hand him tools, and I go to the store if I have to. Man, his prices went up, and I'm just not sure if I don't feel good about it anymore. I used to actually, $100 an hour made me feel good to pay the plumber to let him do his magic, but All right, let's put some water in this thing. Got some right here. This the side right here that I attempted to fix. All right, it came out the little ends. Hey, check it out. It doesn't leak. I spilled water everywhere out the ends. I'm gonna dump the water out. All right, so unnecessary in its own right because these are cheap, easy to replace. But that was actually fun. It was a good practice. And it was easy. And it'll make my girlfriend happy. So, win, win, win. Gotta go.